Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay June 12, 2024 Wednesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong June 12, 2024 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Wednesday, June 12, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for June 12, 2024, Wednesday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 33.5 million pesos and Grand Lotto 655 estimated jackpot price is 37 million pesos for Wednesday, June 12, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of June 12, 2024, Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.